Dumating na. So, we've received the OP07 na One Piece. Actually, wala tayong masyadong alam dito, pero ChatGPT. So, starting, tinanong ko, if gusto ko mag-umpisa, if I wanted to start collecting One Piece and I only have the budget for one box, what is the recommendation? I forgot naman to specify or sabihin na ang budget ko 3,000 lang. 'Di ba? So sinuggest niya yung OP01 which is wow, OA price and OP05 which dyan yung parang ito, yan yung card na yan, no? Lalabas. So here's a box. I got it online from Japan sa Orange app, the usual. So I checked, I did a unpacking and for video purpose na rin para just in case magkaroon ng problema sa product, pwede kong ipadala back, no? Pero yun. So one of the concerns na nakita ko is that naka-tape lang. Naka-tape lang ito when I opened it and to check the pack. So yung high value cards kasi nito are all foil, may foil treatment. So supposedly, or I guess for sure, they weigh more than the regular card. So tawag doon filtering, no? Pack filtering. It happens in Pokemon before, way back nung hindi pa one per pack yung foil ng Magic, nangyayari rin yun. Kaya ang mamahal ng mga ito, yan. So just put examples na lang. Okay, so we'll see kung bukas na siya. I mean, ako nagbukas. Ang concern ko lang initially was that naka-tape lang, no? Yung like regular tape. So we'll see kung meron, no? Filtered. Actually, this, di ko naman bubuksan lahat. Maybe give it away sa mga kids or sa channel, no? So here, hopefully, meron tayong makuha, no? Yan. Okay. Nice. Again, di natin alam kung ano yan. So, kung sa tingin nyo rare yan, sabihan nyo na lang kami. Also, kung meron nakakaalam how to say if this is fake or legit. Wow. Okay ba yan? Iba yellow. Yan na yung foil. Foil ba yan? Shiny. So, okay ba yan? Okay. So, that's it. So, I don't know kung one per pack ba ito mo. Sign isa pa. So, we'll know if ano. Yan. Tignan na natin if it's one per pack. If not, alam natin na, nice. Ganda ng art, It's like, oh, wow. Okay. Oh, red. PL. So meron. So RL. Okay, we'll research that later. So yung last card, boom. Okay. So, the shiny versions are one per pack. So, sige, let's go through them. Yung ito, no? Maybe, pamigay natin and then live natin pamigay sa, like, may card convention. So, mamigay tayo doon. Open nila. Hopefully, meron. Kung wala, at least alam na natin yung source. So, okay.